Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will learn how to build a simple calculator app using Python. Let's get started. Let's print all the options available for the user. We use option 1 for addition, option 2 for subtraction, option 3 for multiplication, and option 4 for division. Let's try to print this program. This guides our user which options to enter in. Let's define a variable operation equal to input. We use input function to get the user input. Next, if the user enters 1, we are supposed to do addition. If the user enters 2, we are supposed to do multiplication and so on. So let's try to use a if-else loop. Now let's write a simple code. We are getting input and saving it to a variable num1. The first input is the first number. The second input is saved to the num2 variable. Let's add this. Sum equal to int of num1 plus num2. I have used typecasting technique to convert a string to integer because whatever the user enters is taken as a string. In order to add it as a number, we use typecasting. Let's print the sum of two numbers. Here again I am using typecasting to convert the integer to a string. Let's run it. The user enters 1. It prompts for the first number, second number. The sum is 90. Similarly, let's try to do subtraction. We will get the two input. Let's subtract the two numbers. And let's print it. Let's give an input to trying to subtract these two numbers. 65 minus 45 is 20. In the same way, let's do for multiplication. In number 1 multiplied with number 2. When we print it, sum of let's print it out. The multiplication to value or numbers is string 1. Let's run this. Let's enter 3. First is 5, then 6. 5 into 6 is 30. Finally, let's do division. Let's print the result. Division of two numbers is string division. Let's enter 4. Let's enter 30. 5. It returns 6. So what if the user enters an invalid input other than 1 to 4? To avoid this, let's add an else statement. This is to avoid any undesirable input entered by the user. So let's print, please enter a valid operation. Now if I enter 5, it will prompt to enter a valid operation from 1 to 4. What if the user tries to enter a string instead of a number? Let's see how to avoid it. If the user enters a string in the place of number, it returns invalid literal integer. So it says that the entered value is not a number. Let's now add a validation to this by using if num1 is numeric and num2 is numeric. So only if the value entered is a number, it tries to add it. Else let's print type a valid number. Let's run this program. Select 1. Let's add a string, a number. It returns type a valid number. Let's add the validation to all the if else part. Let's run it. Enter whatever operation. I'm trying out multiplication. Enter first number, enter second number. It returns 4489. Let's try to do string value. Prints type a valid number. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it was helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.